डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पिछली क्लास में आपको रूल फॉर चेंज इन टेंस रिगार्डिंग रिपोर्टेड स्पीच बताया गया। टेंस में परिवर्तन के नियम, डायरेक्ट या इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन, इनडायरेक्ट बनाते समय आप रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस में परिवर्तन कैसे करते हैं, ये बात आपको पिछले लेक्चर में बताई गई थी। एट ए ग्लांस you can see or you can hear it once again. When reporting verb is in past tense, that time if present tense happens to occur in the reported speech, when the reporting verb is in past tense and a present tense occurs in the reported speech, that time the present tense will be changed in its past tense. You can say all the present tense, let it be present indefinite, continuous, perfect or perfect continuous tense. All the present tenses are directly changed into its past tense. Means present indefinite will be changed in past indefinite, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, and present perfect continuous tense will be changed in past perfect continuous tense. If past tense occurs, then past indefinite into past perfect, past continuous into past perfect continuous tense, and there will be no changing in past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses. And so far future tense or a modal verb is concerned, in case of future you will change will into would, will into would, shall into should, can into could, and may into might. And there will be no changing in would, should, could, might or ought to. This is the rule of change in tense, to change direct into indirect narration. It was a, you can say, recap. It was a revision. After that, I'll tell you the exceptions for the rule of change in tense. This rule of change in tense is not followed in all the situations. There are three exceptions. There are three exceptions for the rule of change in tense. What are these three exceptions? First, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, सार्वजनिक सत्य। यदि रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के अंतर्गत कोई सार्वजनिक सत्य आता है तो उसके टेंस में परिवर्तन नहीं किया जाएगा। इफ अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ और अ हिस्टोरिकल फैक्ट आल्सो, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ और अ हिस्टोरिकल फैक्ट आल्सो occurs in the reported speech, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. Let the reporting verb be in past tense. चाहे reporting verb past tense में ही क्यों ना हो, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. And so far universal truth or saarvajanik satya it is concerned, the things that are always correct are called universal truth. For example, the teacher said the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. It is universal truth. It is written in present indefinite tense, and according to rules it should be changed in past indefinite. But because this sentence, the sun rises in the east, it carries a universal truth. It carries a universal truth. So there will be no change in the tense of reported speech, and you write using conjunction that only. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. The second rule, second thing, habitual fact, आदतीय तथ्य। आप देखेंगे when you'll see when a habitual fact occurs or comes in the reported speech, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. Habitual fact means the things that are very hard and fast in habit. The old man said, the dogs bark at strangers. Dogs bark at strangers. This is a habitual fact. There is no exception of it. This is habitual fact. The dogs bark at strangers. And because it is habitual fact, so there will be no change in its tense. And write the same sentence using conjunction that. The old man said that the dogs bark at strangers. क्योंकि ये हैबिचुअल फैक्ट है, कुत्ते नदियों पर भौंकते हैं, आदती सत्य है, आदती तथ्य है, इसलिए इसके टेंस में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होगा, केवल कंजक्शन दैट का यूज करते हुए इन्वर्ट कॉमा हटाएंगे और वही बात वैसे ही लिखी जाएगी, सेम लिखा जाएगा। थर्ड, प्रोवर्ब्स। प्रोवर्ब्स लोकोक्तियां, मुहावरा, कहावतें। If a proverb happens to occur, if a proverb occurs or comes in the reported speech, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. For example, the old man said, empty mind is devil's workshop. खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. This is a proverb, idiom, proverb. So there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. And the same thing will be written using conjunction that. The old man said that empty mind is devil's workshop. So you got three things: universal truth, habitual fact, and proverbs. If a universal truth or a habitual fact or a proverb comes in the reported speech, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. Let the reporting verb be in past tense. यदि रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के अंतर्गत कोई सार्वजनिक सत्य, कोई आदती तथ्य, सार्वजनिक सत्य के अंतर्गत सार्वजनिक सत्य या ऐतिहासिक सत्य भी आ सकता है, आता है। तो यदि कोई यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, कोई हैबिचुअल फैक्ट या आदती तथ्य या कोई प्रोवर्ब, लोकोक्तियां, मुहावरा, कहावतें आदि आते हैं, तो उसके टेंस में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं किया जाएगा। There will be no change in the tense of reported speech at all. Let the reporting verb be in past tense. Now you will solve the examples, unsolved examples regarding change in tense. Using your textbooks, I will also provide you unsolved exercises that you will try to solve. If problem occurs, you may ask. यदि आपको कहीं कोई समस्या आती, आप अपने किताबों के माध्यम से सॉल्व करेंगे और हम भी आपको अनसॉल्व एक्सरसाइजेस देंगे जिसको आप सॉल्व करिएगा। यदि कहीं समस्या आती है, चाहे वो एक्सरसाइजेस में और चाहे नियमों को समझने में, आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम ऑनलाइन माध्यम से पूछ सकते हैं, वो सब सॉर्ट आउट की जाएगी। आशा है आपको बातें समझ में आई होंगी। थैंक यू।